All right, it has been a big Christmas at the Hedrick house, and so we got some really cool presents for our big present, didn't we, girls? What did you guys get for your big present this year?
A dash.
You got, a Wonder Workshop Dash. So these are amazing. And if you guys know these, you can find them on Amazon. They were a Kickstarter event, and they're really hard to find at the end of the season this year. Really hot items. We got them early. But they're actual robots, and they teach kids code. So Lydia, can you turn yours this way? Lydia's going to turn hers this way right here. And you can see that it's got compatible devices that you need to have. The devices you can use with this are iOS, Android, and guess what, folks? Amazon Kindles, which our girls have new Kindles from a year ago. And then you get free apps and updates, and then it has all kinds of accessories with it, which we'll show you later. Anna, can you turn your box this way? Can you turn it this way? There you go. Yep, lean it back. Lean yours back. Woohoo! You can see on here all the kind of things they've got going on. You've got the Wonder app, the Blockly app, and the Path app. There's actually a lot more than that. And then inside here, you've got one dash, a charging cord, and two building brick connectors. You've got all these other accessories you can get. And so right now we're going to do this opening our boxes of our dashes. So Anna, can you hold the camera for a second? I'm going to get these things cut open. You can show me cutting these open. Get up, hop up, sweetie, and show them what it looks like when I cut it open. There we go. Anna's newly doing this. So right here's the little thing. These boxes are really nice. Can you get up over it and show the box? There you go. Show what I'm doing there. Great, and you can see it's Bluetooth activated. Thankfully, these Kindles have Bluetooth in them.
I didn't know that.
So that one's done. Hold on to that. Don't open it yet. In a minute, I'm going to do this one. You can see these are brand new. We haven't even taken the plastic off of them. All right. These are for ages 6 to 8 for the basic level coding and apps. And then you can go 8 plus and on age for all of the rest of the apps. So kids can learn how to code for anything they want in computers. And so now, girls, I want you guys to open it up and show me what's inside. Walk us through it. Tell me what you see from your point of view. Okay.
I think I'm going to keep
Turn
this
it over.
box.
No, don't rip it. Don't rip it. Turn it over. Turn it over. Now pick up that. There you go. Pick that up. There you go. Lydia's got the idea. There it is.
I think I will keep the box. It'll help store it.
Nice box. Well, we're going to get you... They have cases that you can get these in. They're real nice.
Wow.
Oh, what do you see in here, girls?
I see a cool...
Oh, the dash.
The robot. And
Don't turn him by yourself. He needs to be...
I see...
Oh, open that up, lids.
Instructions or
There's
a
the
post
bricks.
building block. I think this is close.
Oh,
I think you put it right here. Look.
Okay, let's set this down and show
I
folks.
think you put it right here.
Yep.
See?
Hold on. So Anna
Or in
figured out
different
that
places, like on the feet.
you can put it all over it. And guess what they connect to? What does it look like?
Legos.
They connect to Legos.
We can put on Lego people and they can ride on
You
it.
can put Lego people on. You can build a head for it.
It can be a bus.
Yep. Okay, now pause for a second. Freeze with what you're doing because I will show people.
Give me
All right.
instructions.
Okay, freeze for a second, Anna. This is Welcome to the Wonder League, and this is in it has Blockly and Wonder. Blockly, turn on dash, meet dash. He talks. It tells you what to do, charge him. Sorry guys, got cut off, but anyways. So push forward, hear voice, distance sensor front pickup, C dot, and then there's Wonder and Blockly. Let's turn this guy over and look at what's on the other side. Oh, it's their activity poster. So Lydia can put up a poster in her room, Lydia's activity poster. And you can discover abilities, buttons, hear voice, hear clap, see obstacle, record your voice. It does record your voice. Is that cool?
And then it talks.
Yeah, Lydia wanted that. And then Wonder says you can do Galaxy Lake, Dragon Reach, Kong City, Forgotten Jungle, Castle Creepenstein, Free Play, iRing, Dance and Sing, Listener Transfer. Blockly has Dash on Planet X, Interrupting Robot. Interrupting Robot, that sounds funny. Police Officer Dash, Robot Puppy Training, Nosy Robot Dance Contest. These are all different things your kids can do in if else blocks. Accessories that you can put on, building brick connectors, launcher, bulldozer bar. Guess what, girls? Those are coming in the mail. We'll do box opens for those
Guess
later.
what I found?
Then hold on. Random stuff. Craft a costume, plan a prank, make a movie. What?
Playing a prank.
Make a movie. What? Wonder League. You can join the Wonder League. Join robotics competition. Get a Wonder League t-shirt. What? Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
What else you got in the box? So Lydia, show me one more thing you got in the box.
I got a wire.
That's your power cable. Pull it on out so folks can see it. There's the power cable.
Look what I got.
Good deal.
A manual. It's
And then-
like I got all the instructions.
Whoa, that is a ginormous manual.
And I didn't get the
And
wire.
it looks like, yeah, you did. It's in there. So you can see the manual's really just that compliance information that you always get. It's not got any actual manual stuff in it. Lydia still got her stuff in there,
I'm trying to get
the
the
wire,
out.
and that's pretty much it in the box.
And I found the place where you put the wire in.
Yep, that's how you charge them. So we're going to charge them next. That's our box open. Now check this out, folks. For our initial setup, to get this on the Kindles, I'm going to do something else. So I'm going to actually stop this video here. That's our box open video for our Wonder Robots. And I'm getting ready to show you in this next video, if you want to click through, how to set up Kindle Fire to get the apps onto their fires for this robot. So isn't that amazing? So if you got the robot, watch this next video. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell everybody Merry Christmas and we'll see you later.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. This is Malachi's. Malachi got him a robot too. Yay.
And I wanted one that has stuff that has still these.
Guess what? Yours hooks up with Legos too. We can put a Lego man on it. Hey girl, show them what about, put your little things on there. Show your Lego man real quick before we close out this video.
My Lego man. These are the Lego men we got for Christmas.
Yeah, and show that you can put them on their ears or feet, his ears, his feet, or wherever, and this thing can
It's
stand.
earmuffs.
Earmuffs with Lego men. Isn't that funny? Oh my goodness. So you can put it on the side of
It
it.
won't stay. There we go.
There it goes, it stayed. So look at that. Isn't that funny?
I can't get the book.
You could build a head on top of it. I've seen people build heads on top of them. We'll have to pop Lydia's on in a minute.
There.
Oh, that's perfect, Anna. All right, you guys say bye and we'll see you later.
Bye.
Thanks for watching Nerd Chic.